Everyone wants to feel confident, even me. But true confidence isn't what people think it is. It's not flashy or in your face, and it's definitely not something that happens overnight. Real confidence is built quietly in those tiny micro moments when nobody's around. Your heart rate picks up just a little. You still speak up, it's building. When you maintain eye contact and don't look away, it's building. It's built every time you stay grounded when your mind starts to doubt you. Now, if you live with ADHD or even anxiety, you know it can feel like in every conversation, maybe not everyone, but to question yourself, retracing what you just said or obsessing about how you just came across. These moments, they're the training ground. They're not proof that you're defective or faulty. Confidence is born out of repetition, it's not born out of perfection. Each awkward moment, each pause you survive, each time you show up, even when it's uncomfortable, that's how you build self trust. So keep it simple with me. Pause, engage, reflect. Pause when you notice the warning signs before you spiral. Engage that moment, presence. Reflect on what went right, not what went wrong, right? We want to fixate on the positive. So that's how real long term confidence is built. Small, grounded reps over and over and over again. So, confidence or force it. You just have to stay in the moment long enough for it to take root. That's how you rise, one moment, one rep at a time. Hey, this video gave you any value at all, even if it was this much, subscribe to the channel.